Unlocking the mystery. Find the value of why. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in mathematical contexts but can also teach us a lot about English structure and usage. Find the value of why. Whether you're a math enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's decode this together and discover its significance in both mathematics and everyday English. Find the value of why is a phrase that originates from mathematics, specifically algebra. It's an instruction that guides us to solve for y, which means we need to calculate or determine the numerical value of the variable y in an equation. This phrase can be seen as a puzzle or a quest to uncover something unknown. In English, this structure is a great example of a command or imperative sentence, where the speaker directs someone to perform a specific action. Let's dissect the phrase, find the value of y, to better understand its construction and how it applies to both math and language learning. Find. This is the verb, the action word. In English, giving commands often starts with a verb. Here, it means to discover or ascertain through calculation or research. The value of this part of the phrase specifies what we are looking for. Value refers to the numerical worth or significance of something. The preposition of connects value with what follows, indicating possession or relation. Y. In mathematics, y is a common variable, often used alongside x, to represent unknown quantities in equations. In our context, y is the mystery we aim to solve. Understanding phrases like, find the value of y, is crucial for English learners for several reasons. 1. It enhances comprehension skills. Grasping the meaning behind such phrases can improve your ability to understand context, especially in academic or technical settings. 2. It showcases the structure of command sentences. Learning how commands are formed in English can help you in both speaking and writing, making your communication clearer and more direct. 3. It bridges language learning with other subjects. This phrase illustrates how language learning is not isolated but connected with other areas of knowledge, such as mathematics, encouraging interdisciplinary learning and thinking. We hope this exploration of the phrase, find the value of y, has illuminated its mathematical roots and linguistic significance. Understanding such phrases enhances your English comprehension and shows the beautiful interplay between language and other fields of study. Keep unraveling the mysteries of English, and you'll find yourself discovering more than just the value of why, but the value of communication and knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, every phrase has a story, and understanding it can unlock new levels of learning and insight. Happy learning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.